Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you activate stickers into your Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Discord application, and after opening Discord you just simply have to select any of your Discord server and right click into the profile. Then go to server settings and you will get this option of stickers into overview. Simply select stickers and then you will get the options to add stickers. Now you just simply have to tap to upload stickers, and then you can just simply drag any file and drop it here, or choose a file from your device. Simply tap to browse and choose sticker from your device, and then give the name for this sticker and give a description for that sticker and tap to upload, and this way you can very easily upload or add a sticker into your Discord. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.